already had the drum loop. You know what I mean? And so now on my Live 2, you just gotta get a good feel going. Live 2 is great for getting a good feel. If you really try and cook up the MPC Live 2, it got everything you need. So you just, really it's about BPM. You can see I got 7143 up there. You leave the 43, this is where you get that, you know, that little space in there that gives you the little feel. 71 is a slow BPM, but on the MPC Live 2, if you leave those little numbers in there, you could get the easy peasy. What's going on, guys? It's your brother O.T.G. Charles Paris. The O.T.G's for Overtime Zone. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. And today I got my Akai MPC Live 2. And I'm just cooking, man. I'm just cooking. I'm in the kitchen. We got a little something on the stove. We got a nice little quick meal prepared for you guys. And now we're gonna sauce it up. The Live 2 is perfect for saucing it up. Really all you need is a Live 2 and a little keyboard, and for real you can get it done without the little keyboard if you want me to be honest. But first, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you check out everything in the comments. The Gumroad, this is how you can support the channel. The Stimmy Pack, 40 plus expansions, 400 chord progressions, drum kits, everything you need, hours of video, everything you need to get your MPC in the right place so it's not skinny. Yeah, support that. Bunch of free stuff. I got a drum app. It's not going to be free too much longer. I can see on the back end you guys are using it crazy, so won't be free too much longer. Check out all of the free resources, everything that I got down there. This is how the channel keeps going. And now we can get back to the work. So I'm just in the kitchen right now, bro. This is the proverbial music kitchen. I got my chef hat on. It's Chef O.T.G. I'm cooking right now. And sometimes when you're cooking, you gotta have a little bit of seasoning. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a dash. Not Mrs. Dash, but a dash. And really, that's all I'm doing with this video. We got a super simple drum pattern. Something that I just playing around, finger drumming. And we're gonna take that super simple drum pattern, and I'm gonna show you how to spice it with a little bit of this, a little bit of that, couple sounds here, couple drums there. Just stay to the end. You'll hear the whole beat. And I'm not about to talk to you the whole thing. So let's just get it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Look, most of the time, I wouldn't even be double bassed up on a Thursday. Just out here, 2 basses and 1 beat on a Thursday. Who does that? This is outrageous. Sometimes, bro, you could definitely use 2 different basses, maybe even 3, but you gotta be particular about how you get it to fit in there. A lot of the rules that people put on these beats and different things is just their personal rules for the style of music they like. But you are you, and you are making the style of music that you like. So if you hear in your mind, it might be cool if I add another bass right there. It might be cool if I add a little salt right there. It's just like cooking. Cut your little piece off, season that little piece, see how it feels. If you don't like it, guess what you could do? You can always take it out. Certain sounds always go together. Certain sounds always go together. It's like peanut butter and jelly. It's like toast and butter. It's like chicken and beer. It's like pizza and pepperoni. Some things go together. One things that go together: slow drums, strings, choir, bass. Those things always go together. You can always throw a piano in there. You can drop a guitar in there. You can utilize these same sounds 100 times. Well, why would you do that, O.T.G? Why would you use those same sounds 100 times? Great question. Secondary O.T.G asking the question like you or somebody else. Guess what? Most songs that are sampled or used in the creation of hip-hop only used so many instruments. So part of what we're doing as people who are in hip-hop, and for you guys looking for the entry in or trying to find your way, one of the things is when you're making beats from scratch, you can always follow the formula and just utilize some of the old sounds that you would be sampling and use that in your beats. Don't say I never told you nothing. If you stay to the middle of the video, you got this tip. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and please support the Gumroad, even if it's free. You guys definitely help keep this going. And right now we're a team. You guys are all part of my team. And I'm making the Teamsters. I'm not making it, I own it now. In a year, we're going to start the business towards creating a union. A real life union, for sure. Teamsters.org. All the information's in the description. Check it out. everything's going good. I feel it. Do a little bit of housekeeping. And then you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go get that Smackers kit. You can get that Smackers kit from the description. I made this kit 2 years ago. It's only got 16 sounds. You get it part of the O.T.G Stimmy pack. But this kit right here is one of my favorite kits. I use it like a secondary kit. It's the season. It's the sauce. It's like one of the 12 seasonings for KFC. It's one of them. It's not all 12, but it's some of them in there. Watch. I'm going to show you how to do it. Listen to that hi-hat. Better make sure you stay to the end, because you'll see how I make all this work together. New ideas cooking. And we sauced that up. It's the vibes now. I think I want a snare roll. I think I want a roll for the side. Sop up some of this gravy. That's pretty funny. I'm feeling silly today. Hopefully you guys feel it. Snare roll time. If you don't understand what I just did, I cloned the Smackers kit. I hit that little plus button underneath the pencil to the right, cloned it, and now we just gonna put a snare roll in. Notice I don't have my full level on, none of that, because we're not trying to full level it. We want to have the velocity sensitivity, add the fills to it. That's a double entendre, because I'm talking about the fills, F-E-E-L-S, and Phil's Fills. Whoa. Whoa. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Now I'm about to show you how to put it all together. One sequence method. Already knowing. Let's do our basic mutes. Let's do a quick listen to see if we like it. Turn on our automation. Scroll back to 1.1.0. Hit that play button. And now, let's organize this thing. That is the beat. I think I prepared a nice little meal right now on my MPC Akai, my Akai MPC Live 2. I think we sauced up some stuff right here on an Akai MPC Live 2. Showed you how to use double basses, showed you how to clone your track, showed you how to spice up a very simple drum loop and utilize very common sounds to create something that got a little... Y'all know about that. One day you'll know about that. You'll remember what that is. You'll know what that is. And when you get there, you'll get it. But until then, team, we still working. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is O.T.G. on the Akai Live 2. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tracks. We utilized everything from scratch, and you can get everything from the O.T.G. Stimmy Pack. Guess what, guys? It's your brother. Here's another one, and we winning. Big O.T.G.